Jai Hind everyone. Dear students, your monthly test examination have over. I think you have performed better in examination. As well as you will continue your study. So now, dear students, today I would like to teach you the topic modal auxiliary. So first thing, what is a modal auxiliary? So modal auxiliary is a helping verb. And modal auxiliary is basically used in writing section as well as in our day-to-day speaking. So modal auxiliary is very important for your English grammar. So auxiliary and modal auxiliary. So what is auxiliary? Auxiliary means helping verb that use with verb form according to their tense, number and person. But modal auxiliary used on condition. So modal auxiliary represent the different types of condition, just like condition of permission, advice, request, suggestion, compulsion. So in such a condition, modal auxiliary used. Students, modal auxiliary always apply with the base form of verb. Base form means root form of the verb. Verbs form. So first, today I would like to clear the form of verb. There are different types of verb form. So first is here base form. Base form are root form of verb. Second, indefinite form. Indefinite form. But base form is just like base form do, write, etc. And indefinite form, indefinite form, example here, does. Write indefinite form, writes. Okay. Now third, continuous form. Continuous form. Continuous form, just like do continuous form. Doing, writing, and fourth is perfect form. Perfect forms of verb. So perfect form is just like do perfect form. Example here, done. And write perfect form, write or written. Yes. And fifth is here past form. Past form just like second form of the verb. Past forms of verb. Here example. So do past form did, and write past form wrote. So these are forms of verb. Students, first is here base form or root forms of verb. Base form means the first form of the verb, just like do, write, and other different forms of the verb. Indefinite form, do indefinite form does, write indefinite form writes, and next continuous form or participle form. It is also called participle forms of verb. Participle forms of verb. So participle forms of verb, doing, writing, jumping, swimming, so many forms, right? And now perfect forms of verb. So perfect form of verb, just like do perfect form of the verb done, write perfect form of the written. And last is past form of the verb. Past form means second form of the verb. Just like do second form, did, write second form, wrote. So you know students, there are 5 types of form of verb. How many types? 5. First, base form of verb. Base or root form of verb. Second, indefinite form. Third, continuous form or participle form. Fourth, perfect forms of verb. And fifth, past form of verb. You know, clear? So, you will mind it as well as you have to mind the different types of forms of verb. So now, after you know auxiliary. Auxiliary means helping verb. So how many types of auxiliary? So first you know auxiliary, auxiliary. Auxiliary. So first you know to be, verb to be, that is the verb to be. You can write here verb to be. And second, verb to have, verb to have. And third, verb to do, verb to do, verb to do. So verb to be means, now verb to be is and, are, was, were, will, shall. These are verb to be. And verb to have means has, had, and had. Has, had. And next is verb to do. Do, does, and did. Do, does, and did. So these are auxiliary. So first verb to be, verb to have, and verb to do. So verb to be is, am, are, was, were, will, shall. You know, will, shall is also modal auxiliary. Will, shall is also modal auxiliary. And verb to have, has, have, had. And verb to be, do, does, did. So these are auxiliary. But you have to know what is difference between auxiliary and modal auxiliary. So auxiliary, you know, auxiliary always used in tenses according to number, person, and verbs form. But modal auxiliary used on condition, just like condition of possibility, seek permission, wishing, advice, request. So these are the conditions of modal auxiliary. So there are 10 types of modal auxiliary. There are 10 types of modal auxiliary. As can, could. Could is the past form of can. May, might, must, ought, will, shall. Will past form would. Shall past form should. And ought to, need to, dare to. So these are modal auxiliary. So modal auxiliary always used with base form of the verb. So base form of the verb means root form of the verb. So its verb form never changes. It always used with the verb first form.